Twinkle, all things bright and beautiful. Donkey, a creature bright and small, all things wise and wonderful. The Lord guiding on. This little flower that's open, this little bird sing, God made in glowing colors, God made in tiny wings. The purple in the mountain, the river running by, sunset in the morning, the brightening up the sky. The only the winter, the pleasant summer sun, the rice through the garden, the maiden everyone.
God gave us.
God gave you eyes to see them, the little there. How great to God Almighty, who has made all those well.
Jet version of All Things Bright and Beautiful.